If solving equations with brackets confuse you, this video will help you. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve equations with brackets. So let's start. Step 1, expand the bracket, meaning you multiplied throughout the bracket in order to remove that bracket. So let's remove the bracket. So first you have to multiply your 3 by your x. 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And 3x add 6 equals 12. Then reverse the last operation done to your x, and the reverse of add 6 is subtract 6. Subtract 6 on both sides of the equation. So on the left hand side of the equation you subtract 6, and on the right hand side of the equation you subtract 6. Now 3x equals 6, and again reverse the last operation done to x. Here we have x multiplied by 3, and the reverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. So on the left hand side of the equation you divide by 3, and on the right hand side of the equation you divide by 3. Now x equals 2. Let's try this question. You can pause the video and give it a go. Okay, let's try this one. Step 1, remember you have to multiply throughout the bracket. Therefore, 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Then 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Therefore, 2x subtract 8 equals 10. And then we undo subtracting 8, and that is adding 8 on both sides of the equation. So on the left hand side of the equation we add 8, and on the right hand side of the equation we add 8 as well. So therefore 2x will be equal to 10 add 8 equals 18, and then we have 2x equals 18. Again, we undo the last operation done to x. So here we have x multiplied by 2, and the reverse of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. So on the left hand side of the equation we divide by 2, and on the right hand side of the equation we divide by 2. Therefore x equals 9. If this video helps, please subscribe, like, and share for the next video that will be on solving simultaneous equation. Thank you.